Welcome to JollyBilling. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the calendar to plan client sessions, keep your schedule organized, and turn completed work into invoices. Whether you see clients one at a time or juggle several every week, the calendar is where your billing week starts. Let's walk through it together. JollyBilling gives you two calendar views, and they work together. On each client's page, the Calendar tab is your planning board for that one client. You schedule sessions there, adjust times, and generate an invoice from the events you planned. In the top navigation, Calendar opens your owner-wide schedule. Every client's calendar events appear in one place, so you can scan the whole week at a glance. Important detail: these calendars show scheduled sessions, the work you plan to bill, not invoice due dates or payment deadlines. When it is time to send an invoice or record a payment, you still use the Client's Invoices tab. Think of the calendar as the blueprint. Invoicing is the next step after the work is on the calendar. Let's start on a single client. From your dashboard, open any client. Along the left side, you will see several tabs: Contact, Billables, Calendar, Invoices, and others. Click Calendar. You are now looking at that client's schedule. By default, the week view opens, showing timed blocks across the week. Only events created on this calendar appear here, not manual billables you typed in on the Billables tab. If the grid is empty, that is normal for a new client. In the next steps, we will add events. Across the top of the calendar, you will see navigation controls. Use Prev and Next to move backward or forward in time. Click Today to jump back to the current date. On the right, switch among three views: day, week, and month. Day zooms into one day with a detailed time grid. Week is the default, ideal for seeing recurring appointments in open slots. Month gives you the big picture, useful when you are planning several weeks ahead. The label in the center always shows the date range you are viewing. JollyBilling remembers your preferred view for each account, so when you come back tomorrow, you pick up where you left off.